Hey guys, it's Wolf Lopez here. This is going to be absolutely incredible video. So I'm very excited for this video. So in this video, I'm going to show you what's going to happen in the next 6 to 12 months. Okay, and this is incredible. I'm going to show you the patterns, and the market cycles and the bubble cycles from the past. And this is insane. This will blow your mind what I'm going to share with you. And the next thing after that I'm going to share with you is Warren Buffett's crazy method on how when he was starting as a young investor. This is the exact strategy that he used to literally find blue chip companies that made him crazy gains. So I'm going to show you that method. It's insane. I believe no one else is doing it, and I'm going to do it. I'm just so excited for this. And the third thing that I'm going to show you is the tokens that made crazy gains from 2018 to 2020 bear market in 2021 bull market. I'm going to show you crazy like things and lenses that I learned through back then that basically no one except people who were in the last bear market know. Okay, so I'm going to share them with you, and this is insane information. So let's start here. So the bear market, okay, looks like this. This is what the bear market looks like. We have the boring lows here, 6 to 12 months around, okay, and then we have the momentum building, and then we have the bull run. So this is back from 2015 to 2017, so a couple of years. And here we have the bear market of 2018 to 2021 bull run. So we had the boring lows, we had the momentum building, and then we had the bull run. Okay, and right now we are here. So the boring low started June. Okay, it started June. Okay, and right now we are here. So I started dollar cost averaging in on July 11th. I started dollar cost averaging here. Okay, and so far I have over 10 cryptocurrencies in my portfolio, and I share my portfolio in the golden crypto portfolio. Okay, and basically the structure here is to dollar cost average in on blue chip assets for the next 6 to 12 months. Okay, during this bear, and then in the next bull run the gains will be astronomical. You know why? Let me show you here. The reason for that is because let's use this one. So we had the boring lows here, and then we had the 50% dip. So basically how this works is, let's use this one. So I will show you here. So we had the boring low, then we had the momentum building, and here, think about when you bought assets here, and we are right now, remember we are here, so we are right now here. Okay, so when you buy the assets here, when the bull run basically is getting the momentum and it's just getting started, we are already up 10 to 100x. Okay, and the thing here is that when you have bought here, you're already 10x here. So another 10x here would be what it would be. It would be 100x, right? So that's why it becomes very possible to make these 10x to 100x gains in the next bull run. In fact, I actually created this kind of like cheat sheet. You can go to its first link in description. It's a 10x to 100x crypto cheat sheet where I show you how I pick blue chip crypto tokens. It's a simple formula. It's incredible. I mean, it's absolutely incredible. So you can check that out first link in description. Very excited for that. So yeah, so then we had the bull run here. Okay, and what happens in the bull run is that everything is very euphoric, right? But the biggest euphoria is here when everything went up here and then we went down. Everybody was very euphoric here because we were expecting, everybody's expecting a new bull run, like a new top, But what happened is that's when the second 50% drop happened. So we dropped 50% from here to here. It's 50% drop. Then we had another 50% drop down from here to here, right? And now in the bear markets, there's likely that we will have another 50% drop here. So it happened here. The same thing happened here, and it has been happening here. So you can see here. Okay, so yeah. So that's why I'm personally, I started dollar cost averaging in already because we are already at the bear market. It's already like boring lows. We can go down further, but I want to make sure that I just buy in dollar cost averaging. I don't want to wait for the exact moment because I don't know where the exact bottom is, but I just know that the probability of having a next bull run in just a couple of years is very high. Okay, very high probability. So So I'm taking the chance. I'm taking that risk. I'm saying everything is risky. Okay, so if you are, and the cryptocurrency is risk assets. Okay, but this is the best thing that I have ever found, because I was in the 2018 to 2020 bear market, and the gains are just incredible in the bull run if you get in the bear market. So the other thing I want to show you, in the boring lows, there's going to be price fluctuations. You can see, even though it's called the boring lows, there's tons of, like, look at here, for example, let's look at 2015. So you can see here, it looks like nothing has happened here. It looks like a straight line, but for it goes from $200 to freaking $400, so that's a 2x. Then it goes to almost $800. That's a 4x in bear market, in a freaking bear market. Then it goes back to $500. Then it goes to 1,000. Like you can see, it fluctuates a lot. And then in the last bear market, it went from $9,000 to freaking 600 to 300, then $11,000, then again 7,000, and then again 5,000. So you can see, like, no, but it's going to be like this, okay? It's going to be all over the place. Even though it's called the boring lows, it's probably not going to be boring. It's going to be like this. So I just dollar cost averaging in and buy quality assets. And Bitcoin is not part of my portfolio, by the way. I'm just using the chart because it has the most kind of like data back from all over the when it was the first one, right? So anyway, so I'm looking forward to that. So if you want to see my portfolio, you can check out the Golden Crypto Portfolio, wolflopes.com, and also get the free 100x 10x to 1000x crypto cheat sheet. It's insane. So another thing I want to show you, so let's start with let me show you here. When I go to 130 page here, I want to show you how Warren Buffett basically started making crazy money with investing. So this is his strategy. This is what I learned from watching Warren Buffett and studying Warren Buffett. What he did when he was young, like 20 years old, he there wasn't computers, like, right, because he's an old man, okay, and the technology moves fast. So what he did, he basically read like 10,000 different company papers. Like, he went through 10,000 different companies twice to find out the best companies to invest when he was young. I will say it again. He went through 10,000 different companies, read through the freaking papers, all their financials, everything about them. Twice. Okay? So, and that's how he found blue chips, undervalued assets, and he just bought them and he made crazy amounts of money. So here's my plan. I'm going to go through all of the tokens from 130 to 1. I don't even know how much that is. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So it's almost, let's just use like 20. So it's like, let's use the 25 times 130, right? So that's like it's only actually 3,000 something, I guess. So I'm going to go through all of these crypto tokens one by one, okay? And I'm going to find the best tokens in my opinion. I can't, I'm going to go them through very fast, but I'm going to go through them. And there's probably, like, think about, even if I found like 1 to 5, like 100x to 1000x tokens, it's going to be insane, okay? So I'm going to put in the work, guys, and I'm going to share the results, of course, with the Golden Crypto Portfolio as I add the tokens in my portfolio. And and also I'll create some videos about the tokens on my on this YouTube channel, right? Same kind of, like, a lot of people have been requesting videos about 5 top low cap tokens or something like that. So I may maybe create some videos like that where I show you some things here and there. So that's very interesting. So I'm going to do the Warren Buffett method. I'm going to just put in the freaking work, read tons of white papers, go through the websites, go through everything, and it's going to be incredible. So that's very exciting. So the next thing I want to show you, and you can do it too, you should do it too. Like, put in the work in the bear market, and in the next bull run you will be happy, okay? A lot of people who quit right now are very they are not committed. I love people who commit stuff. Like, they start it and they don't quit. For example, yeah. So one story is here in the Golden Crypto Portfolio membership. I had a way to subscribe for like $100 a month, but that attracts people who will not commit. They will be in the portfolio for 1 month and then they quit. That you can't build a portfolio like that. You need time. You need like 12 months to build it, or at least 6 months. Okay, so those people who really commit will make crazy money. at least the probability. Of course, there's no guarantee in anything in life. You know, since we were born, what kind of guarantee did you get? Like, you know what I'm saying? So there's no guarantee, even though people love guarantees, but there's no guarantee in life. When anything, it's all risky. So might as well just make the risk on your own, like become your own, like, you know, take the freaking control. A lot of people are just like floating through life mindlessly. You know, but you, as you are watching this video, you are just like getting the bag and you are just focusing. So I'm very grateful to have you here. Anyway, so I'm going to put in the work and you can do it too. You know, but I'm going to make it easy. If you're in the golden crypto portfolio, I'm going to share the picks there. So another thing here. So I was in the 2018 and 2020 bear market, and I remember freaking VeChain. I remember this token. Even though I don't like this token in a sense that, you know, it's not something that I'm invested into. You know, but I remember it. Look at here. So I remember in 2018. So remember the bear market started in 2018, right? So you can see it was born in the bear market, and again in the bull run it went as high as like 20 cents or something like that. So that's so from 0.003, I mean that's an incredible X. That's like, you know what it is. It's insane. It's absolutely incredible. So you can, so this was tons of money. So even if you have a couple of these picks like these in like altcoins, I mean the money is just incredible. You can make tons of money, like literally hundreds of thousands is nothing when you are, if you're dollar cost averaging in the bear market, hundreds of thousands of dollars is nothing. The millions is where you want to go, and you can get there by, in my opinion, building a diversified portfolio that manages risk and also focuses on blue chip assets. Okay, so I'm you know, but you know, so yeah. So you can see that here that assets that people don't know, or are, you know, assets that are new and made in the bear market and have you know, so a couple of, you know, notes I have. So first thing is you have the project has to survive the bear market, right? If it doesn't survive, it will die, it will go to zero. So I always look, first thing I want to when I invest is this going to go to zero? Like is the probability if it go to zero bigger than it go like actually surviving? Because I want to make sure whatever I'm buying, it's not going to zero, or if it's going to zero, I have enough time to get out of it, right? Because we're in crypto space, there's tons of new happening all the time. So you know, it has to survive. It also has to have active community. I remember VeChain. Looking at VeChain, it has crazy good community in the sense that they are very active. They are very active. Like I remember looking at Twitter, like VeChain people are like, it's like cult at this point. It's like VeChain believers and stuff like that. So you know, that's the one thing. So if there's like a active community and it survives, and also the third part is it's relevant to the trends of the bull market. Okay, so VeChain, you know, happened to be in it wasn't exactly in the top of trends, but it was trendy. It had active community of people who pushed out the cryptocurrency there and spread the message and basically hyped up people. They basically are hype men who like sell the product, like they say like getting this and getting that, like they shield, right? So that if there's tons of people, like you probably remember Luna had tons of shillers. Okay, and so if it's a lower cap, okay, and the price is very low in the next bull run, it has, and it's a new token. So for example in 2021 the old tokens like XRP, IOTA, Dash, you know, Bitcoin Cash, tons assets, old assets like that were in the 2017 bull run, they didn't have hype in this new bull run, right? So you know what I'm focusing on is looking to buy blue chip assets that have real user adoption, and also these other assets that are new, freshly baked and made and developed in the bear markets, that also have user adoption and really like massive potential, and you know, for low price, and with like 100x 1000x potential. Like making like 10 to 20x is also incredible. Like I think like 10, when I make 10x on assets, I'm fine with that, because if you make a 10x, okay, and then you 10x that's 100x, baby. A lot of people don't understand that. Like you don't have to make the 100x like you don't have to make it in one swing. You can make a 10x, boom, and then a 10x, and then that's where the game becomes very exciting, because it's fairly easy to make 10x's in crypto. Okay, so that's why you can just like freaking grow up your money like crazy. if you join in the bear market and take action and be smart about it. Okay, so the couple of things, so those I want to share this out with you. So again, if you want to check out the 10x to 100x crypto cheat sheet, you can check out the first link in the description. And if you're still not in the golden crypto portfolio, you can join the first link in the description. It will take you to this page, and from here on you can access it or go to wolflowes.com. Okay. So so I'm going to start looking through the coins right now. Actually, I will start doing it today. So today is it's almost end of September. So October starts pretty soon. It's going to get exciting. In a sense that the prices are going to stay low, boring. Absolutely love it. I'm going to just keep dollar cost averaging in, building the portfolio, and let's go, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. If you have any questions, comment down below. If you have anything to add to this video, would love to chat with you. You can always email me blogmoneymedia@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching, and peace out.